Hello and welcome to the latest video from Cisco Talos. Today we're going to walk through another example of how adversaries are able to use the news to help compromise victims for monetary gain. In the past, we've walked through the use of malicious profiles to install apps and various other things on iOS devices. Today we're going to pick up from after that point. In this case, a malicious profile is used to install a web clip, which is effectively just a URL link. When a user does click that link, as shown here, it actually is just rendering a web page with no address bar or anything in the background, and is literally just running a JavaScript. Right now, it is doing nothing on the end system other than just rendering a web page. One thing to note here is if you do actually visit this page without using an iOS device, it will actually prompt you to use an iOS device even though it's not doing anything in the background. What's really happening again is it is just walking through a JavaScript that makes it appear as though it is compromising the phone using a checkmate to actually compromise the system. And in this case, it's not doing any of it. Check rain is actually just a web page running in the background. As you can see, it really does go through the effort of trying to make the user believe they're being exploited. But in the real world, all that's happening is they're generating click fraud. All it's doing is making sure that you install one of these apps that it then uses to generate revenue for the adversary. This is just another example of how adversaries are going to continue to use creative ways to compromise victims and generate revenue. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this latest video from Talos Security.